Mysore bonda. (500 grams of maida). 1/2 cup of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of zira. 1/2 tsp of baking soda. 1 chopped carrot. Few dry coconut pieces. 1 cup of curd. 1 small chopped onion. 2 chopped green chilies. 1 bunch of chopped coriander. Few chopped curry leaves. Transfer maida in a vessel. Add rice flour. Add salt. Add zira. Add baking soda. Add chopped dry coconut pieces. Add chopped carrot. Add chopped coriander, curry leaves, green chilies. Add chopped onion. Give a mix. Add curd. Mix it well. Gradually add water and mix. This is the perfect consistency. Cover and leave it for overnight. Heat the oil. Add some hot oil and beat the batter well. Time to fry the Mysore bonda. Fry on medium to high flame. Fry until bondas turn into golden brown in color. Mysore bondi are perfectly fried. fluffy and crispy Mysore bondas are ready to serve. Enjoy tasty Mysore bondas with peanut chutney. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.